If you're seeing a playback error on x.com or Twitter when trying to watch a video on your PC, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you the quickest ways to fix it step by step. This issue is usually caused by a browser problem, cache data, cookies, ad blockers, VPNs, or even a temporary conflict with your browser settings. The good news is that in most cases, you can solve it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the browser you normally use to access x.com or Twitter. Since the problem is happening on your PC, the first thing you want to do is clear your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, browsers save a lot of temporary files, and sometimes those files become corrupted or outdated. When that happens, websites like X may stop videos from loading properly and throw a playback error. To fix this, open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History, and look for the option to clear browsing data. Make sure you select cached images and files, and cookies and other site data. If you want to be extra careful, you can also choose a time range like all time, so everything related to the issue gets removed. Once that is done, close the browser completely and reopen it. Then go back to x.com and try the video again. If the playback error is still there, the next thing to check is any ad blocker extension you may have installed. Ad blockers are useful in many situations, but they can sometimes interfere with embedded media, scripts, or video players on websites like X. To test this, temporarily disable your ad blocker or any privacy extensions one by one, then refresh the page and try playing the video again. If the video starts working after disabling the extension, then you found the cause. In that case, you can either keep it off for x.com or add X to the extension's allow list. Another thing that can cause playback problems is a VPN. If you're connected to a VPN, try turning it off and then reload x.com. Some VPN servers can trigger network restrictions, region conflicts, or media loading issues that prevent videos from playing correctly. If you're using a work or school network, that can also create restrictions, so testing on a different network can help identify whether the problem is related to your connection. Now here's another very effective test. Open an incognito or private browsing window. This is important because it lets you visit x.com without using your regular cookies, extensions, or saved browser sessions in the same way as your normal window. If the video works in incognito mode, then the problem is very likely caused by your browser data, extensions, or settings in your normal session. That tells you the issue is local to the browser and not necessarily X itself. At that point, you can focus on clearing more data, removing conflicting extensions, or resetting browser settings if needed. After testing, go back to your regular browser window and refresh x.com again. In many cases, one of these fixes will immediately solve the playback error and get videos loading normally again. So to quickly recap, clear your browser cache and cookies, disable any ad blockers or VPNs, and test the site in an incognito or private window. These are the most reliable steps for fixing playback errors on x.com or Twitter on PC. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe for more short and useful tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.